Right, the link pack is now done to link the Night City to the spaceport. You've also got a link channel here and a link channel here, so the Marlies will pass through both on them. I've also had to put a better motor on because the kit supply one, while it will power the spaceport, it won't power both on them. So I've had to buy a better motor that's powered off a battery. So just press this on, press it once, the LEDs start pulsing. Press it twice, the LEDs stay on. And then if I just use my speed controller, switch that on, and it's all lovely and working. The trouble is, I might just need to get the Marley there and just give them a quick nudge with my skewer. Apart from that, it's working. And at lovely speed. So with the old motor, if I turn that down, that's how the old motor at that pace, it was really slow, but now I've got the speed controller on, I can turn it up as fast as I want. So there you go, Woody, your marble run is complete.